Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is Smart City based on Open Data as Survey. Let's move to the abstract of our project. The concept of a smart city has gained a significant traction in recent years, with cities around the world embracing the potential of technology to improve the lives of their citizens. Open data, which is freely accessible and reusable data generated by governments and other public bodies, plays a crucial role in enabling smart city initiatives. This survey provides a comprehensive overview of relationship between open data and smart cities. Open data, which is data made freely available to the public, plays a crucial role in enabling this transformation by providing access to a wide range of data sources. Open data can empower citizens, business, and government entities to make informed decisions and develop innovative solutions that address urban challenges. We have used a regression algorithm like KNN and XGB for forecasting the literacy rate. Literate citizens are more likely to participate in civic activities such as voting, attending town hall meeting, and volunteering. This participation is essential for a healthy democracy, and also we have compared the algorithm that which is efficient way for forecasting the literacy rate. This is the flow of our project. First we start our project. After the starting, we have the first process of loading the data set. We download the data set from the websites like Kaggle, GitHub, etc. After that, we read the data set using a pandas package. Then we move to the pre-processing. In this, we have two main processes, that is handling missing values and label encoding. In handling missing values, we convert the null values into zeros, and in label encoding, we convert the string values into integer. Both processes are used to predict our data set in efficient way. Then we move to the data splitting part. In this, we split our data into training and testing part. Usually we have the 60% in training part and 40%, like that only we will split the data set. The training the values of training data set will be greater than testing part. After that, we have the regression. In this, we use KNN and XGB algorithm. After getting that, we just predict that forecast the value of literacy rate. At the end, we just get the result of analyzing the forecasting of literacy rate. Next, we can run our program. We used a Spider IDE to run the Python program. This is the output of the program. First, we just load the data. After that, we check the object, that is string values and null values that present in our data set. After, we move to pre-processing. In this label encoding, we just convert the object values into integer. After, in pre-processing missing values, we convert the null values into zeros. This is the EDA, that is data analysis diagram of our project, because we took a survey of smart cities. We have to do analysis of that, and so we have done EDA of the data set. Then we split the data set into testing and training part. After that, we have taken a XGB regressions. In that, we have the error values, that is MAE, MSE and RMSE error values. In KNN also, we have taken the error values. After comparing the each error values. We have the less values in XGBoost, and so we took the XGB regression as our proposed system in our project. This is the forecasting of literacy rate in smart cities. Thank you.